Hello, everyone. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Just stop by to ask a couple of questions. First question is, would you like to thrive in 2025? Well, stop what you're doing and listen, because I have a plan that will assist you in doing just that. A couple other questions for you that will help you determine if you really want to thrive in 2025. Are you an actor, a dancer, a singer? Are you an artist? Do you like to cook, bake, clean your house, clean your yard? Are you a homesteader? Do you like doing construction work, renovations, tear it down, build it up, give it a whole new appearance? Do you like walking your pets? Do you like pet sitting? Do you like to ride your motorcycles, ride bicycles? Are you someone who loves to travel the world? Do you enjoy shopping? Do you enjoy going on long hauls for groceries? Are you someone who likes to inspire others and uplift them to be their greatest, the best that they can be? Are you a certified life coach? Are you a nurse? Are you a nurse practitioner? A doctor? Physical therapist? A dentist? Are you a chemist? A biologist? An environmentalist? Are you a politician? Are you an educator? Are you a stay-at-home mom? Do you work for yourself? You're an entrepreneur. You have your own business. If you have any talent that's not included in the list that I just gave, you too can thrive in 2025. And how can you do that? You can become a YouTube digital creator. Yes. Don't say, oh, that's not for me. No one on YouTube thought it was for them. But they gave it a chance, just like I did. And boy, would you be surprised. All you have to do is to grab a camera and start videoing your activities. You can video yourself creating your own hairstyles. You can video yourself cooking, baking, cleaning, building, renovating a bathroom, building a chicken coop, building a home, building a house for your pet, gutting your bathroom and renovating it, putting down new flooring, whether it's tile, carpet, or hardwood. You can video yourself putting together furniture, mounting a TV on the wall, cleaning out your refrigerator, going shopping at Costco, Sam's, Walmart, Target, Dollar General, Dollar Tree, wherever it is that you shop. You can video yourself as you go on your journey. If you stay at home and you clean your home, wash clothes, do your laundry, put things away, clean up, you have techniques, tricks, tips, hacks that will work. Anything that you do, you'll be amazed at how you post those videos and how many views you'll get from those videos. You'll be shocked at the number of people that will really, really, really want to follow your journey and share in your routines. You'll be amazed at people who actually post comments and how they learn new things from videos that you actually post. So no, it's not a waste of time No, it's not a joke. No, people who are on YouTube are not bums. People who are on YouTube, there are a lot of educated people on YouTube. There are a lot of uneducated people on YouTube. But altogether, everyone makes one community. And I'm not being negative about it. I'm just simply speaking the truth. Because as you know, and others will tell you, education is not for everybody. But does having an education make you better than anyone? No, it doesn't. Not in the world of being a YouTube digital creator. Because some of those people have videos that have already went viral. So I say that to say that as long as you are consistent, and that you are creative and you know how to network and make connections, that you are focused, motivated, inspired, that you self-motivate, because you can be motivated and sometimes you can be demotivated. But if you can self-motivate and then, become a part of a community that helps motivate you and uplift you, then, you have the opportunity to grow and also to improve, on a fairly regular basis. So you will be totally blown away at how people embrace your videos, embrace your channel, the learning curve that you'll have when you become a digital creator, because some of it will be new to you, some of it probably won't. As long as you stay true to your vision, you have the opportunity to actually grow and not get discouraged, or if you see setbacks, or if you're one of those type of people to see someone else growing and you wonder why you're not. YouTube is a platform where you really, really have to read. You cannot do it alone. You have to, network and be in a community of like-minded people who can help, motivate you, educate you, uplift you. And you also have to be willing to be open to learn and have to be willing to share. You can't just always expect to obtain things when you're not giving. So being a YouTube digital creator gives you the opportunity to experiment. It gives you the opportunity to be innovative. And most importantly, it gives you the opportunity to have a lot of fun, meet a lot of wonderful, caring and sharing people. You just never know what's going to happen day to day when you post a YouTube video. You never know which video you have that just might go viral because it connects with so many people in such a meaningful way. You just don't have a clue. In everything that you do, your voice matters. You matter. Your comments, they matter. Your content is very valuable and it matters. When you're a YouTube digital creator or any social media digital creator for that matter, you need to keep pushing forward, stay focused, motivated, encouraged, enlightened. As I say on every video that I've posted since the first day I started posting on YouTube, we hope that's the gift that keeps giving, because we want it to be passed on to others and it just becomes viral itself. So when you are a creator, you are very creative, you're very crafty, you're very witty, and you have the power to actually inspire and to change other people's lives. So you don't have to want to be the celebrity that's in Hollywood. If you grab your video, you can be a celebrity in your own home, in your own movie, in your own way, writing your own script, sharing your talents that you're given, and not faking it till you make it, but facing it until you make it. Right? So again, if you would like to thrive in 2025, then I'm going to give you a quote with an added word from Nemo 504, who started an awesome community of motivating and encouraging and uplifting people. And that is actually the niche on his channel. And that is that when you become a digital creator and thrive in 2025, you need to stay phenomenal and strive to monetize your greatness.